I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your phone number from 3UK to Giffgaff, here's a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your number is eligible for porting. You can only port numbers that are currently active and not tied to any ongoing contracts. Step 2. Get your PSC code. Contact 3UK to request your porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via the customer service or by texting PSC to 65075. Step 3. Sign up for Giffgaff. If you haven't already, sign up for a Giffgaff account and order your SIM card. Make sure to choose a plan that suits your needs. Step 4. Port your number. Once you have your Giffgaff SIM, log into your account and enter your PSC code in the number porting section. This process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. After the porting process is complete, confirm that your number is working on your Giffgaff SIM. If you encounter any issues, contact Giffgaff support. Remember, sometimes the porting can take longer than expected, especially if there are any discrepancies with your account details. If you run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Good luck with your new Giffgaff service.